If you like chewy stuff, you have to try my Taiwanese sweet potato tapioca cubes. It's chewy and creamy with a hint of sweet potato flavor. Let's get into it! We begin by preparing the sweet potato. We peel the skin first. Then we cut them into thin slices, as thin as possible so it can be easily cooked. Now we are gonna steam it. We pour about 1 liter water in the pot. Put the sweet potato in. Bring the water to a boil. When the water is boiling, reduce the heat to low, put on the lid, let it steam for half an hour. In the meantime, if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. I share or remake one recipe every single week. When you can easily poke through with a fork is ready. Now remove the water dropped down during steaming. Mash the sweet potato. You can add some sugar now, but I prefer to add it later so I can adjust based on my preference. Now I'm gonna add tapioca starch. The ratio is a bit tricky. For this kind of orange baking sweet potato, I usually add half of the raw potato weight. And if you're not sure, you can always start from a third of the raw sweet potato weight. Now we mix them together. When you see it start to come together, we can move it onto the table. Gently make it into a dough. Divide them into 4. Roll them into long stick. Add some tapioca starch to prevent it from sticking. Chop them into 1 cm wide cubes. If you're not going to cook it right away, put it on a plate into the freezer. Move on to a container when they are frozen. They can be stored in the freezer for at the most 1 month. We bring the water to a boil. Drop the cubes in when the water is boiling. When the cubes float to the surface, they are ready. We move them to the icy cold water to let them cool down. Change the water if it gets warm. Move them to a bowl. Add your favorite sweetener. I also like to add some cream. It's very chewy and the combination of sweet potato, brown sugar, cream is perfect. If you like my recipe, please hit that subscribe button and check my other Taiwanese cooking videos.